For us, fineness is not just about the thickness of dough. It is a comprehensive mindset covering all the fine details about the experience a product offers. Combined with 25 years of experience, this mindset produces reliable and innovative solutions that turn dough preparation into child's play. Offering versatile solutions for preparing dough with desired form and thickness, Şengün dough rolling machines ensure close to natural rolling and speed up and standardize dough preparation for products like pizza, pita, and pastry. Ideal for phyllo applications, horizontal dough rolling machines can also be used for rolling large-sized pizza doughs. They come with fully stainless body, 2 or 3 roller options, and speed control for rolling different types of dough. Known for their silent, vibration-free operation and low energy consumption, horizontal dough rolling machines are easy to install, operate, and clean. To offer reliable solutions to the fast food industry, we use high-quality, dust-resistant motors and components in our designs. All intermediate parts, including rollers, are manufactured and quality tested at our own facilities. Focusing on quality, efficiency, and state-of-the-art technology, we develop products that put both your mind and business at ease. Flavor starts with good dough, and good dough starts with Şengün. Şengün Makina, everything is fine.